I've been sleeping on the floor in a travel trailer. So I'm very excited to be in a bed.
Yeah, maybe tonight.
Yeah!
Yay!
Meet the all-star home talkers. They help you do it yourself so you can create the home you love. These are real people, real projects, real stories. This is DIY Nearby.
Today we are here in Alvin, Texas at Lisa's home, and we are getting ready to do a fabulous makeover on her new old bed.
I've been displaced from Hurricane Harvey. So we've been working on our house, and this is going to be the first piece of furniture I brought into my house. I'm looking forward to the end result. I'm so excited.
I'm ready.
Yay!
Today we're going to be using some anti-slung chalk paint,
Okay.
which you know is water-based and it dries fast. And so it's going to allow us to get your project done in one day. So a little bit goes a long way.
I wouldn't call myself experienced, but I have painted with chalk paint before.
Just going to slap it on.
Okay.
And you're going to want to work it into the nooks and crannies, you know.
Okay.
So that we get full coverage. And it's okay if we have some areas showing through because this is just our first coat.
Okay.
And then our second coat will be our coverage coat.
No, I wanted it to be chalk paint. And there's so many techniques you can do. Right. So I'm just learning.
I'm excited that this is your first piece to put back in your house.
Well, we haven't slept in a bed in 9 months, so it's going to be really wonderful to sleep in a bed.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix a wash, which is just a watered down paint. So we painted the bed cocoa. Now we're gonna mix an old white wash, which is just water and paint. And then we're gonna brush that on and wipe it back off, and it's gonna give us a real pretty finish. Let's do 1 ounce of paint and 2 ounces of water. I think that'll be the easiest thing is if I show you how to do a section and then I'll apply and you can wipe it. What do you think? Okay. Okay, I think we want to add some water because we don't want it that light.
Okay.
See, I think we want more of this. And this is exactly what I was hoping that it would do, is kind of pull some of that through, which means we probably won't even have to use the sanding block.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's beautiful.
I love that.
I love it.
So this is our top coat. We're gonna use General Finishes Flat. You don't, it doesn't take very much, and I load it and then I kind of offload it a little bit. I like to start at the top and work my way down, but see, it has a real milky finish, and you don't want to leave it in the edges, so you want to make sure that you brush it on, but that you wipe it off if you start to get that pooling. I generally do 2 coats. 2 to 3 coats on a working surface, so like on a tabletop.
Okay.
But on this, I probably would do 1 coat and be done.
I absolutely love my new bed. I never dreamed it would be be so spectacular. It's amazing that just paint can change the whole look of this bed. I feel like the next thing I'm going to take on is my dining room table. I learned a lot today and I think I can do this.
I'm just glad that she got to learn a new technique, and now I want to buy her bed from her. So much fun.
The people, projects, and stories featured on this show come from viewers like you.